time to start using some reels to bring in more people.
Yeah, it doesn't mean your business needs to shut down today there, boss, but I'll tell you what, definitely means you need to up your game. Welcome back, it's Anthony Scott and...
AJ, the hype man.
Oh my goodness, and you know what? We did some just major homework today. You see that? That's homework for your social media success, that is. So what do we got? What did we find today? What do we got for topics?
Well, first off, we're never letting you do the intro again. You forgot it's the Not So Round Table.
Oh my goodness, the not so round table looking brown table.
All right, so starting today, number 1.
Wait, title.
Oh yeah, that's right, the title. 7
Cut.
Just kidding. 7 social media mistakes that you need to stop making today. Right?
That's absolutely amazing.
All right, good. Number 1. Posts that don't match your company's message. I've seen it more and more now where people are being envious of like other companies that have more people liking it or this and that. So they start trying to copy them. But they're attracting the wrong crowd, the wrong people. They're not getting the buyers they want because they're not sticking true to their messages. If your company is selling a high-end fitness product, you have to make it your message be, hey, you want to be a high-end fitness person, be in the gym, be looking good, feeling good. You can't go and post the same thing that Planet Fitness posts and expect them to know you're different than them.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably going to be more along the lines of like transformation. You're going to be going on a journey. And I mean, if it's high-end fitness, it's going to look high-end fitness, you know. Do a quick Google search and see exactly what other people in your industry are doing, and then don't do that and make it better. That's seriously, like, if I can't say anything else, that is exactly how I would dominate or start anyways, content-wise. And what do we have next?
Number 2, posting gaps.
Posting gaps. All right, you run a professional business, you make hundreds of millions, thousands, or just lots of dollars a week. The point is you can't do it all. And as a matter of fact, I've seen this. I've seen you crappy companies out there missing days, weeks, months in your posting gap, all just to leave your audience hanging. Well, you know what? I could be a new guy in town and go and add all your followers and hit them in the DMs with an irresistible offer, but guess what? You'll never know about it because you're not on social media. You're literally sleeping at the wheel. So if I haven't woken you up enough about this one problem, it's to post more. Be a little bit more active on social media. It doesn't hurt to check in 5 minutes on a lunch break, you know, or go in and schedule your content in Meta. Instagram will literally let you post to not only Facebook, but Instagram at the same time. So kill your posting gaps and start making more money. And hopefully nobody in your industry is going to get hungrier than you, because I'll tell you what, you're definitely leaving money on the table by leaving posting gaps out there.
You seem very passionate about the posting gap issue.
I mean, say it enough.
I'm not going to lie. I 100% can agree to this. Like, if you can't, you have your phone on you. Grab your phone out. Take a quick video. You know, hey, check this out. Quick little video. Making a video while doing a video. We have this high-end microphone. Works amazingly. Don't even need to plug it in. Woo, woo. Save your video. Post your video. That's how easy it is. Boom, boom. Throw your hashtags in there. Once a day. At minimum, once a day. Like, that's all there is to it. It has to happen. If you're leaving gaps, you're not only leaving space between them, but you're also leaving your audience, you're leaving your message not getting corrected. And we'll have a re-entry here as he is back from his phone call.
Oh!
All right, what's number 3 then? So Reels. Using Reels. Oh, yeah, that's right, it's mine. So using Reels. Not only as a business, when you're posting, you're hitting the people that like your page. So posting once a day, you're going to hit those people that like your page. Now, Reels allow you to get out into a world of people that don't know who you are, don't understand what your business does. Anyways, don't cut that either. That was actually pretty cool.
I'm leaving like all the crappy mess ups in here.
I'm gonna love this video. But your Reels allow you to get your message out. So that's why number 1, make sure your content and what you're posting matches your message. and then go out and do the reels to get your new audience to come in. Great way to save money from spending too much on ads and get recognition.
Yeah, no, at the same time, I mean, all this short form video content, TikTok and all that is really great for awareness. So use it for just that. All right, next one we got is you're going to want to weaponize your reels. And by doing this, you got to go to your Instagram page and make sure it's not private, because you're literally only serving your reels to your approved followers on your private page. And I don't know how many people like probably are like, oh yeah, I know that, or like, yeah, I didn't even know that. But yeah, make sure your account's not private, and especially if you run a business, like you're only posting reels for your little group of friends. Come on. Don't make it private. Make it public. All right, get them out there more. So let's think about how much more of a savage beast, killer, boss assassin, digital hit squad you could be if you just had a really cool post or a testimonial or an irresistible like offer with like a website, something saved on your phone. One amazing piece of content for recommendations. Okay, now what am I talking about? I'm talking about those Facebook groups that you're in your local city areas, and all of a sudden you get this notification like, boom, somebody's looking for a roof. Oh my God. Insert, highly recommend, video testimonial, Rosenau Customs, baby. And then that's just the way to help you really close in the comment recommendation section. Literally, you're posting this in the comments. And yeah, you can post a video or your offer, whatever it is, and then tag the company right there, and boom, money, baby.
On that same type of topic, when you go to post, if you are approved to post in any of the groups, put it out in the groups. Post it to your business page, personal page, and into groups. Especially your local groups. Like, there's so many people in there. Now, granted, all local groups will not approve every post. Know that now. So if it gets rejected, don't get butthurt. Don't cry about it. But post in there if they let you. Make sure it's good content, though. Don't post some boring stuff, because that's going to end up getting you with people that don't want to even follow you. Post something fun and energetic that makes it worth posting, but post in the groups. Save your time, save your energy, make more money.
Oh, next one up, companies not being interactive. What does that mean, AJ?
Okay, now this is my biggest pet peeve. If all of your posts on your business page are buy this, and you get 3-4 likes a pop.
Now, what social media sites are you talking about?
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I mean, if you're just getting...
Wherever you're at, a business
YouTube. If you're just getting likes and it's not bringing people in, all you're doing is posting buy, stop. Stop right now and drop a this or that. What do you like about us? Would you like pepperoni or pineapple on pizza?
Or no pineapple on pizza?
And get people to comment. Not only does it raise you into the algorithm...
Orange or blue? Would you rather sleep outside with no tent or sleep in a cemetery with a tent?
That went dark.
Weird.
But get your crowd interactive. You get them commenting, or even if you're like, hey, what other local businesses do you like? People start commenting, you can get involved. You're actually understanding who your audience are, and if you can't get people to comment, time to start using some reels to bring in more people.
Yeah, it doesn't mean your business needs to shut down today there, boss, but I'll tell you what, it definitely means you need to up your game. All right,
number 7.
All right. I'd like to talk about crushing those limiting beliefs you have. First of all, about I can't afford this. Okay, well, I'll tell you what, like, if I said I had a house for sale right now for $10,000, do you think you would go afford that? Yeah, you absolutely would. All right, so crushing your buyer beliefs or crushing any limiting beliefs. Okay, so if you have financing, okay, you can talk about how Mary financed this whole project for her home for only $125 extra a month and paid no interest for the first year. Oh my goodness, now I just relieved a huge pain point and I identified the limiting belief, okay, and I stop with that limiting belief. I insert new belief. Okay, yes, you can afford it, and here's why, XYZ, or most of our customers are happy, XYZ, this outcome, okay, and then strengthen that with your content. So this can be done with problem, solution, crush limiting belief, or limiting belief, crush limiting belief, solution, any which way you want to structure it. And it's obviously in your copywriting, but you can also post this on your content too, or just talk about it, share it, and make this part of your content mix. Like you could add this to your content pillars. Like one thing we're going to do for customers this far down in the funnel is we're going to help them with their limiting beliefs when it comes to making a purchasing decision. And guys, I just want to see you make more money and be more successful, and that's all what Basic the Boss is about. Jump in our private group, Basic the Boss. I can't even say, I don't even want to sell you there. I just literally want to help you while I'm able to. We have like 51 members now. 51 members, and I'm not even going to release the program yet until we get just maybe a dozen or so people to early bird it. Now, I did have 24 people go through it and give me feedback to really dial it in, and when I early bird it, it's going to be a very special event. Until then, we do have an email sequence coming, and we do have this website getting dialed in, but for all things marketing.
All right, so one last comment on your limiting beliefs. It leads me to something that I recently heard, and I absolutely love it. There's 3 things. You can have it good, cheap, or fast. Ooh. And you get to pick 2. So think about it. Do you want it good, cheap, or fast?
How about good and cheap? What does that get me?
I mean, it's not going to be fast.
Ooh.
If it's fast and good, it's not going to be cheap.
Ooh.
My point, if you want good stuff, go get it. Go start doing it, or contact us.
Oh, yeah. I mean, who else is going to let you book a call with me to qualify, 1, your eligibility into my program, and 2, if you need more help one-on-one, I do have a couple spaces in there. So, first come, first serve only.
Other than that, this has been another not so round table
and
with Hype Man
and Anthony Scott, and I want to see you go from Basic the Boss. I'll see you in the private group. Until next time, crush it, guys.